Bitcoin in danger zone. Is it time to sell? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News. Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most. And today we keep being sad. We have Bitcoin going down. And why is that? Well, of course, because Grayscale and the outflows. Yesterday we had a record with $643 million outflow in the daily. And you can see that this is quite a record out there, which is not good because then if we compensate the sales with the buys in the 9, we have a negative day. That is not so good. But if you follow the comments below this idea on X Twitter, you can see that they might just do this for 35 days more, and that will be it if they do that as crazy as yesterday, which is not the case. So I wonder why they did that yesterday. And also, probably they don't like that, even on Grayscale, where they are selling crypto, because they don't want the price to go down as they want to sell higher. So I guess they will try to stop this bloodbath. And also, BlackRock and Fidelity and the others in the other line, so happy that this is happening because they buy cheaper, isn't it? We see this fight here we've seen for so many videos right now. And here you have the chart for Grayscale. And you can see if you go then to TradingView, link in the description below, and you see how Bitcoin price reacted in those dates. You can see that at the beginning and also here and right now we had red. You can see here this was the most evident timing for that here and here. But also, if you go to the daily chart, you can see that when we have these sales on Grayscale, we have red for Bitcoin. So again, this is, in my opinion, market compensating right now. Grayscale wants to sell. These other people want to buy. Well, that's awesome. We had even some rumors out there that most of the ETFs buys are from retail, not from funds and big corporations. When they come, this is going to be really, really huge. And if you are so scared, well, again, be careful because you need to remember that since the end of 2022 November, we had 4 retracements for Bitcoin from 21% to 23%. So maybe we are up for a 20% discount right now on Bitcoin. Well, that's a good one. Everybody now trying to predict where Bitcoin is going to bounce. Crypto Robert saying that 60,000 is a level we have to visit. Matthew Highland saying that also 60 is a level we might visit if we break 65 that we broke for good. So we'll see about that 20% discount. That 20% drop would bring us between $60,000 and $57,600. We'll see about that in next videos. We told you about the moving averages. It seems that we are losing the first one, the red one. So let's pray for the green to be. And the green will be precisely around 57,634 right now. And maybe why in the danger zone, that's why Bitcoin is going down. Maybe this has nothing to do with Grayscale and the ETFs. Remember, this is a multi-variable environment of crypto. And what's about this danger zone? Well, this is from Red Capital. He's saying that if we compare situation right now with the pre-halving on 2020 and 2016, we might be up for a fall of 20% or 40%. In 2020, we had this 90%, 20%. In 2016, we had a 40%. Also, it was different in the time that then Bitcoin was going down after the halving or remain flat. And I have this chart representing this idea. What do you prefer? Do you prefer 150 days flat mostly, but with a drop of 20%, which is around 57,600? Or do you prefer a deeper fall like that 40% to 44,000, but we recover in 56 days? You have to choose. Link in the description below. There you can leave your comments also. A lot of people will say 44, please, because I want to accumulate more. Some other scared. Okay, any case, let's go to the chart and let's see what happened in 2020. And again, we have this drop, but I see 13%. I don't see 20% anyway around this Bitmart chart. But well, this is a possibility, and this was like a long time before the halving. If we go to 2016, you can see that from the point we are right now, we will be a little bit flat, we'll go up higher, and then like 15 days to the halving, we have this drop. But again, difficult to predict, but I don't expect this to happen. Maybe what's happening is what this guy is not covering, and you find here with Rodrigo Arnedo on CryptoNews. The idea that we are following the path of 2012, and we had 2 more days of red, and then we started going up for good. We'll see about that. Do not forget to smash the like button. You have it down this video. We are 30 days to the halving approximately, and now everybody is asking the question, where are we going, when is going to be the top, and how high are we gonna go? And you have here from the same Red Capital that he believes that we might be there by December 2024 or February 2025. We have dedicated videos to this matter, so watch them, because Bitcoin might triple and you don't know about that. Also, we have interesting videos about Bybit card, the card that we use for spending some stable coins or some crypto, maybe in your case, and they are celebrating the anniversary. So you have the description, a link for that celebration. They have prices like an iPhone 15 Pro, an Apple Vision Pro, and more, and you can get advantage of that. Also, if you use that link, you have maybe 25 euros for you. And remember that for this whole month, if you spend your cryptocurrency ton, you are up for a 7% cash back with Bybit. Link in the description below. You have 3 videos related with this card that we use. And back to the price prediction, Chico Crypto did this video. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below. And he criticized all YouTubers out there. We are not in the list, but he made fun of their predictions, and he has his own. His prediction is we're going to be around 113,500 by October, December 2025. But remember that all YouTubers, all people trying to predict the future, they all fail. If they are not wrong, it's just luck. Be careful out there. They are going to try to trick you. And you can see that some people believe we are going to be there on February 2025, and some other believe we might go all the year 2025 till we have the top. So no one knows. We use tools, we use indicators, like for example, this one, the P-cycle top indicator. This is a good one, and in the past has predicted with these crosses here, 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 and here, the cross. And you can see that we are far, far from the cross. So we have to wait. But maybe, and this is not in this idea from CryptoCon, maybe we are in a middle top, not a blue arrow, but a purple one, like we had here in 2019, 2016, or 2012. And maybe we are for some correction right now. What do you think about this? If you want to FOMO again, well, consider this piece of information. Up to 100 billion could flow into Bitcoin ETFs this year, says global banking giant Standard Chartered. We love that. And also Cathy Wu, ARK Investment, says again that their clients, their most important clients, they are not even in Bitcoin. So when they come, the price will rise and Bitcoin will go to 1 million by 2030. Those are her words. And what about this? Oklahoma House passed a bill to protect Bitcoin rights, ensuring freedom to buy, sell, mine, self-custody, and run a full node, and will now be sent to the state Senate. So states in the United States protecting Bitcoin. We might be in this parabola. Remember Kevin Svensson again telling us that maybe we are following the path we had in 2012, 2016, 2020, and we are waiting for that in 2024. Remember that we celebrate Father's Day in Spain today, so happy Father's Day to my dad. And tomorrow we celebrate Jerome Powell's Day. He's going to say if they raise or not those rates, and that might affect the market. That's why probably stock market in United States went down yesterday, and today Asian markets are going down. We'll see about that, but we're still greedy. 79 out there. And what about if you catch this one? We had a price drop to 8,900 on the BitMEX exchange after a user instantly sold more than 400 Bitcoin. Do you have some crazy orders out there to catch Bitcoin really cheap? Well, if you are lucky, you might have that one. The market is in the red. Ethereum wants to check 3,000. Seems like that after all these all-time highs, local tops. But the bubbles are in the red. Today is a massacre out there. And you can see that the worst is for the meme coins and AI. Those are the most important trends out there. WorldCoin, they are going to sue Spain because we stopped them from scanning your iris. What do you think about that? And if you want to know everything about this, you have to go to dextools.io. They have the hot pairs. You can see even Dex is there and it's falling less than the rest of the market. So maybe now Dex, the token of the platform, is a safe haven for your crypto. Really, really interesting token. And thank you very much to our friends on Dex Tools because they retweeted us. Talking in English in their main X account, Twitter account. And this is so awesome. Why? Because they have 137,000 people following them. They are huge all over the world. So maybe now our channel is going to explode. After 350 videos, nobody watching this. Maybe you're practicing English or you want the crazy ideas of the Spanish guy telling you here on Crypto News. Well, thank you very much for that. Thank you to dextools.io. You have the link in the description below, of course. Remember the bloodbath we talked about in the retweet they used? Well, you need to consider that it went down for good. So, well, again, be careful out there, speculation. But if you need information about all this crazy world, DeFi, meme coins, etc., all the chains, you have them on dextools.io. And I know that you are obsessed with this, but we have to stop. It's not like this cat with these friends. I will never let you go. You have to let go. There's a lot of things to do today. What about this guy jumping to the next opportunity that gets to know here on Crypto News? And this guy that doesn't want Crypto News to end. Please, Rodri, one more. Please, just one more. No, we have to go right now. But you have a new video on AI news. Did you watch the 50 videos we have already there? Almost. Then go and watch them. Is the edgy here? What is that? Get to know that in our channel of artificial intelligence. If you want more about crypto, watch one of these two videos. We are researching for the next Crypto News here with Rodrigo, Arnedo, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the